Hi, this is Courtney Palmer and Macy Tech, and this is our project on Jupiter. Okay, so on the very outside of Jupiter, we have a layered atmosphere containing hydrogen, helium, and crystalline ammonia clouds. The next layer in it is a liquid molecular hydrogen. After that comes liquid metallic hydrogen, and then finally the core. Scientists are unsure of the composition of the core, but it is believed to be silicate rock and ice. Jupiter's four largest moons are Io, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. These four moons are sometimes referred to as the Galilean moons or satellites. Galileo Galilei discovered Jupiter in 1610. He also discovered the Galilean moons and the Great Red Spot in the 1660s. This discovery was important because it helped prove that the Earth wasn't the center of the universe as we once thought it was. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means that it's a really big planet made up mostly of gases. Jupiter is 92.5% hydrogen, 7.2% helium, and 0.3% other trace elements. Since hydrogen in this planet is under so much pressure and heat, it does some pretty weird stuff. First it turns into a liquid, and then with even more pressure and heat, it turns into a metal. Materials Jupiter gets stranger and stranger as it gets deeper and hotter. Jupiter only has an axial tilt of 3.13 degrees, so it doesn't experience many seasonal changes. It has the fastest rotation of all of the planets, making each day on Jupiter only about 9.9 hours. It takes 12 Earth years for it to make a full orbit around the Sun, and because of the planet's fast rotation, it has a slightly elongated shape, with the diameter being longer across the equator than the poles. The Great Red Spot is the largest of the cloud patterns on Jupiter. Other cloud patterns include white and brown ovals and strips of clouds. There are three different types of different cloud decks or layers of clouds, and each has different molecules and contains ammonia and sulfur clouds. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for 350 years and is big enough to fit over 3 Earths in it. Fun facts. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets. Like Saturn, it also has rings, but they are not visible to the naked eye. It is also 2.5 times more massive than all of the planets in the solar system combined. Only 9 spacecraft have ever visited Jupiter. It is also one of only 5 planets visible to the naked eye, and it orbits the Sun every 11.5 Earth years. Sightings of it were first recorded by ancient Babylonians in the 7th or 8th century. Thanks for watching.